how to clear and start over in H&R Block Online. Hi guys, in this video you will be learning how you can clear and start over in H&R Block Online. So if you're the type of person where you're no longer interested in the activities you've carried out on your H&R Block Online, ensure you watch this video to the end. Now the first step is to log in, of course, because you can't do anything on your H&R account without logging in at first. So once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the H&R Block dashboard, where you can see a welcome address, a greeting, and you can see get started with taxes. You can see other options. Now the options you see here will be determined by how much you've used your H&R account. All right, so as you can see, they want to see everything. And the next step is move to the left side of the screen, where you can see some options such as home, taxes, finances, document, help, and then account. So once you see account, just click on it. Now after clicking on an account, you're brought to the accounts page, where it's your email. Then by the right side, you'll see settings and then security settings. Once you see this, just click on it. Now after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the security centers page. On this page, you'll see options like manage your account security settings. These settings affect how you'll be able to access your online account. So the next step is to scroll down until you can see the option delete account. Now you would have to delete your account for you to clear everything that is in your H&R Block. All right, now after deleting the account, you can now go ahead and then open another account to start all over. So to clear your account, just click on delete, and then this page will be active. You're sure, click on continue, then follow the rest of the instructions, and your account will be deleted automatically. So after deleting your account, then you can now come back to hnrblock.com, then create another account to start all over. So that is how to do it. That is not far-fetched. Be sure you try it out. Thanks for watching.